There's never a quiet day in the world of AI. It's Tuesday and there's a lot to get through. Here's today's AI news. Outlook is the latest Microsoft 365 app to get agent mode, joining Word, Excel and PowerPoint, where the same feature went generally available earlier this month. The pitch is that Copilot runs in the canvas itself, acting on real work rather than answering questions from a sidebar. Satya Nadella reportedly told managers in late 2025 that Copilot's Gmail and Outlook integrations simply did not work, and he took personal control of the overhaul. The bar now is whether an agent in your inbox saves more time than it costs to supervise. Microsoft has the distribution. Workers will decide whether they trust it with their calendar. To take on the identity of the AI image upscaler it acquired in 2024. Freepik, the popular AI creative platform, is relaunching under the brand of the existing AI upscaling tool, Magnific. So Magnific is now a single AI creative platform with over 200 million in annual revenue, 1 million paid subscribers, and enterprise clients including the BBC, Guess and Huel. And this was all venture funded. The company was bootstrapped the entire way, and it's profitable. That puts it in rare company among AI tools currently burning cash to chase scale. The platform stitches together the latest video models like SpAItial with its own pre-production tools for characters, props and scenes, aiming to be a one-stop shop for AI-generated storytelling. SpAItial is the Munich startup founded last year by the team behind Synthesia and Meta's text-to-3D research. As with other models, you feed it one photograph and it generates a navigable three-dimensional environment. Echo-2 renders in real time directly in the browser using Gaussian splatting with full camera control and physically grounded geometry. You can walk through the scene, change angles, and the spatial structure stays coherent. This is their second model, and it lands while Google, Descartes and World Labs are all racing for the same prize. And this might be one of the most exciting races in AI, as the potential of a high-functioning model like this is enormous. Anthropic launched 9 creative connectors today, and the two doing the heavy lifting are Adobe and Blender. The Adobe connector opens up more than 50 pro-grade tools across the Creative Cloud suite from inside Claude. The Blender connector wraps a natural language interface around Blender's Python API, so users can drive complex 3D setups by describing what they want. Anthropic has joined the Blender Development Fund as a corporate patron, paying to keep the open-source 3D suite healthy. Ableton, Splice, Affinity, SketchUp and Resolume round out the launch, covering music production, design and live visuals. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you can go just one more step and support us by liking and sharing this video, we would really appreciate it.